Hi, my name is Owen, and thanks to CareCredit, I have proper fillings now. I'm a dancer, and definitely with auditions and different sorts of castings, a great smile is something that is a confidence booster, so not having to worry about that is definitely something that alleviates a lot of stress for this career that I'm in, and I'm just thankful that I was able to get my teeth fixed. I moved to LA about 2 years ago, and I was moving on a whim. Housing was last minute, everything was last minute, so there wasn't room to really add any other expense onto everything that I had done to just get to LA. So just was going in for a routine dental cleaning, and they found 3 cavities, and I was sitting in the chair, and you can just see the metal part of the old filling, and he's like, we don't use metal. There's only ceramics that are used now, so that's an ancient piece in your mouth. And I'm just looking at the screen oh, yeah, you're right. The bill came about to be $4,000, so they presented CareCredit as an option. They gave me the paperwork and little brochure to kind of read through the benefits, and I was able to be approved right on the spot. He just ran my credit, and then there was not even an extended process. It was all during the same visit and all handled. Having CareCredit to take care of my mouth and just needs for my body was really easy compared to the rest of my move. I mean, the beauty of CareCredit is that it's so simple and easy, you don't have to wait. Thank you, CareCredit, for helping me keep my great smile.